In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste your Discord link. If you need to share your Discord profile information or copy the user ID link to your account, this process is quick once you know where to look. The main thing to understand is that Discord keeps this option inside your settings, and you may need to enable developer mode before the copy option appears. Start by going to your Discord dashboard. This is the main Discord screen where you can see your servers, messages, and account area. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find a small gear icon which opens your user settings. Click on that gear icon to continue. After the settings menu opens, look at the left-hand column. This is where Discord lists different categories for your account and app settings. Scroll if needed, then click on Developer. This section contains options that unlock a few extra tools, including the ability to copy your user ID. Once you're in the Developer section, find the Developer Mode toggle and turn it on. This step is important because the copy option usually won't appear unless Developer Mode has been enabled. If you've never used this setting before, don't worry. Turning it on simply gives you access to extra identifiers inside Discord. It doesn't change how your account works in any major way. With Developer Mode now enabled, go back down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile again. This is the same area where your account controls are located. After clicking it, you should now see an option to copy your user ID. Go ahead and click that option. At this point, the ID has been copied to your clipboard, which means you can now paste it anywhere you need. For example, you can paste it into a message, a document, or a support form by using your usual paste command. On most computers, that's Control and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. One helpful tip is to paste it somewhere right away, just to confirm that it copied correctly. If nothing appears, go back and make sure Developer Mode is still turned on, then try copying it again. And that's it. That's how to copy and paste your Discord link using the user ID option inside Discord. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need it.